Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Raihan, and in this video I will tell you a story about a novel and that I just read. And the title of this novel is Hatchet by Gary Paulson. So, without any ado, let's begin with the story. So, Hatchet tells the story of Brian, a teenage boy, and his successful attempt to survive alone in the wilderness. And when the novel begins, Brian's parents have recently divorced, and Brian is planning to board in a small plane to fly to meet his father in Canada, where his father is working. But only Brian and the pilot itself are on the plane. So they just two of them in the plane. But suddenly, in the air, pilot has a heart attack. And Brian really panics and then realizes he has to try to fly the plane. And he even doesn't know and doesn't understand about how to fly a plane, but he identifies the radio and calls for help. He calls for help over and over again for several hours, and eventually he concludes that he will have to landing the plane, and not long after that the plane's engine stopped. And Brian does the best he can do to guide the plane, and he sees a lake below and aims the lake to become the gliding planes toward it, and thinking the lake is the best option for the plane to landing. And after that he actually do that, and he slams into some trees, wrecking the plane, which lands in the lake. And Brian tears himself out of the seatbelt, scrambles out of the plane and swims for the surface, and he reaches the shore and passes out. So he survived from the plane crash. And while unconscious, he dreams of something that happened before his parents' divorce. And when he saw his mother kissing a man, but that man is not his father. And later, he wakes up on the shore of the lake, and he is alone in the wilderness. And as he grows hungry, and he realizes he will have to take care of himself, and he only have a hatchet, and he use it to build a shelter, makes fire, and looks for food. And weeks pass, and his knowledge and skill grow, and he is now at ease in the wilderness. And one day, Brian sees the tornado has raised part of the plane out of the water, and he remembers there is a survival pack on the plane, and he plans to take the survival pack, and he builds a raft and goes out to the plane in the middle of the lake. And after that, he accomplished the idea and get the survival pack. And when he opens the survival pack the next day, he finds tools, weapons, clothing, and a large supply of food. And he realized this changed everything, and making the survival in the woods so much easier. And the most important thing, he also finds an emergency transmitter, and the transmitter has worked, and the pilot of small plane in the nearby of Brian heard it and came to investigate. And once the man arrived, he recognized Brian from the rescue broadcast about him, and Brian has lived at the lake for 54 days, and his times there changed him forever. He can and he decides he know and he realized he can never bring himself to tell his father about his mother infidelity. So Brian survived and for 54 days with his knowledge and his ability and his hatchet. And that is the story of this novel. Thank you for your attention, and I appreciate that you watch this and hear it, and thank you. Apologize if I've made any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.